Ayan, next slide po natin mga ka-person. Ito, shoutout po yung naghahanap po last time ng Honda Civic. Ito, we have stock po for today. Ayun, 2024 Honda Civic. Automatic count, number of cylinder po niya is 4. CC po niya is 2.0. Version po niya is EX. Odometer po niya is 30,241 km, 96 months to pay or 8 years to pay, 119 tax included. Ayun, 119 tax included. Clear glass. Ayun. Then, yung likuran po niya is ganito. Ayan, sedan po siya. Oops, charing! And then, andito yung kanyang gulong. Ayan, naka-rim po yung kanyang winter tire. Naka-mugs ang summer tire. Naka-mugs ang summer tire, naka-rim ang winter tire. Ayan, then, check natin yung kanyang interior. Ayan. Fabric po yung kanyang upuan. 5-seater seat. Naka-winter matting na rin po siya. And then, half moon roof. And then, meron din po siyang blind spot or sensor sa side mirror. Ayan. And then, interior po niya in front is ganito. Check natin. Then, yung kanyang adjustan ng upuan is dito. Dihatak po siya. Ayan. And then, same time press button start. And then, ito po yung kanyang susi, yung baliktad. Ayan, 2024 Honda Civic. And then, sa mismong susi po niya, meron po siyang remote starter. Ayan, meron siyang remote starter. And then, AC, ayun, check. Then, yung heated seat po niya sa pagkabilaan, ayun, check. And then, yung parking brake po niya ito, dipindot po siya. And then, meron po siyang economy para makatipid ka po sa gas. Then, reverse camera yon. Clear na clear po yung kanyang reverse camera. And same time, touchscreen din po siya. Then, menu, Bluetooth, and English. Ayan siya. Ayan. Ayan. So, ganyan lang siya. And then, na-open po yung kanyang half moon roof. Then, isasara din po yan. And then, yung cover po niya is pull and push lang po siya. Ditulak, dihatak. Yung kanyang winter tire is naka-mugs, ay naka-rim. Ang summer tire is naka-mugs. Then, lagayan ng drains compartment. And then, yung kanyang manual. And then, naka-winter matting na rin po siya. And then, distance, cross control, and then same time na monitor po din yung takbo ninyo. Ayan. And then, low kilometer po siya. So, ulitin ko lang po, 2024 Honda Civic. Automatic, number of cylinder po niya is 2. Version po just EX, odometer po niya is yun. 30,308 km, 96 months to pay or 8 years to pay, 119 tax included. Ang kagandahan po niyan sa 119 na po na yan is nakasama na po yung extended warranty bukod sa warranty ng mismong Honda. Kasama towing, electrical, and then yung dashboard ng inyong sasakyan. First change oil po niya, tunang salpak po ng gulong is free po siya. O, diba? Ayun yung ating white color na Honda Civic. Ito po siya mga ka-person, ayan. So once again, 2024 Honda Civic. 96 months to pay or 8 years to pay, 119 tax included. Pa-PM na lang po ako kung sino may gusto nito and then we'll process. Thank you!